Okay, so this is going to be the install for the wired Chargifier charger from S00nish. So the first thing you want to do is remove the rubber mat. What I find is just kind of pulling up on this front of the rubber mat and just pulling it out is how you remove that. This is pretty easy to remove up right now because I've done this a few times on this truck, but it might give you a little bit of difficulty, but you just go ahead and pop that off. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is go ahead and remove the frame that's holding in the wireless charger. So what I'm going to do here is I have this neat little trick with cards. I'm going to pull the clip back a little bit and slide a card in. Let's try the middle one first. Just to kind of hold it there. And this does take a little bit of finesse. Some are a little bit more difficult than others. This one's acting up a little bit. Jeez. There it goes. Okay. And that will lift up and out. There will be one connector on the back. This is for the wireless charger. We're going to be using this connector for both the wired premium charger and our wireless premium charger. So let's go ahead and remove that. And we're going to set that aside. Okay, so here's the Rivian OEM charger in place of the frame. So in the back side of here, there's going to be 4 Torx bolts that you need to remove. And what you're going to do is put our frame in. So we have an aluminum frame that's going to go inside it. It uses the exact same 4 bolts in the exact same 4 spots, and you're going to put those in. Now, I've already installed this one, and what I'm going to do is I forgot to run my USB cord. So what I'm going to go ahead and do first is you can just bend this back, this frame a little bit. We're just going to run my cord through like that. And now we have that. Okay, so the first thing I want to go ahead and do is connect our DC to DC buck charger. Connects right in the OEM spot. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to slide this charger through our little hole here. And this is going to actually make the install a little bit easier to keep the frame flush. So I'm just trying to get this out of the way. And coming through the top as well, I'm going to go ahead and connect my USB charger. If you want to go ahead and connect 2 USB plugs, you can. The main thing is to be aware of, you can't run both USB A and C at the same time. So you have to choose one on each side. Now that my wires are out of the way, I'm just going to slide this in and clip it in. That's 100% in. Then I'm just going to drop this charger in. It should slide in. Might need a little bit of finagling. Might need to go in at an angle. I'm going to get the USB-C in first. Kind of shove it in one direction. Get the other side in. And then just kind of, there should be enough space underneath there. Once that's in, we can go ahead and take your rubber mat, slide that in, like so. And that go ahead and slides in nicely. You can see that's exactly how it was originally. And if I go ahead and just plug it in, it should be charging. There it is. And as you can see, now there is a bump on the back, but if you're looking from the top, so if you bring our view up to the top, you can see how you don't see those bumps. You can cut this rubber mat on your own. I just want to show this is a non-destructive install. This is, to me, is fine because you don't see those bumps, but you're more than welcome to cut those as needed. And there you go.